Welcome to Informatica Cloud 201 on-demand course, DiscoveryIQ. Upon completion of this module, you will be able to understand what is DiscoveryIQ and its architecture, understand the need to integrate it with Informatica Cloud, and discuss its features. Let us understand what is DiscoveryIQ. Informatica DiscoveryIQ is a new cloud product offered as part of a new support offering. IDIQ is accessible through Informatica Cloud since the Cloud Spring 2015 release. This is an intelligent cloud application which provides customers with a detailed view of their product usage and recommendations about how to increase adoption of Informatica products. Informatica DiscoveryIQ is a personalized, proactive support portal that uses a customer's product usage data combined with Informatica's support interaction. Data generated from thousands of customers to provide best practice recommendations and alerts to maximize customer returns on investment in Informatica products. Let us now discuss what exactly DiscoveryIQ does. Informatica DiscoveryIQ collects product usage data from customer subscriptions, product configuration files, and log files. It also collects customer interaction data from case files, customer web searches, and customer escalations. It moves all this data via secure net connections to Amazon S3, where it parses and moves the data into a cloud-based Hadoop cluster. Informatica customers access the DiscoveryIQ portal via a browser using single sign-on services from Informatica's cloud product, which is Informatica Cloud Service. Let us discuss why it might be important to integrate DiscoveryIQ with Informatica Cloud. After investing in Informatica Cloud, you can take control of your production environment and maximize your efficiency with Informatica DiscoveryIQ. This cloud-based enterprise-grade solution lets you easily manage, monitor, and troubleshoot your integration processes running in Informatica Cloud. It provides predictive self-service analytics, fault-proof diagnosis, and industry-based best practices designed for administrators, project managers, and developers. Informatica DiscoveryIQ integrates with Informatica Cloud to deliver industry-wide sights into the performance and usage of Informatica Cloud. With Informatica DiscoveryIQ, you can perform log analysis, capacity planning, and execute upgrades seamlessly. We will discuss some important features of DiscoveryIQ in the coming slides. Let us now discuss few features of DiscoveryIQ. With rich and customer-specific knowledge base at its disposal, DiscoveryIQ enables customers to monitor adoption and operations by tracking and analyzing the number and type of data processing tasks run over time and associated data volumes. Benchmark data processing activity with peer companies in the same industry with similar revenues and numbers of employees. Forecast usage based on past activity to better plan capacity and systems requirements. You can receive recommendations to improve adoption and performance using your product activity via logs, errors, and your searches of Informatica's website and support portal. You can also better manage upgrades since DiscoveryIQ defines tasks, manages workflow, tracks completion, and suggests release notes to read. Essentially, DiscoveryIQ's built-in intelligence analyzes product usage, anomalies, and customer interaction history to generate contextual recommendations and offer best practices based on broad customer experience. With Informatica DiscoveryIQ, customers can get answers to questions such as, what product features am I consuming? How much data am I processing now versus 6 months earlier? What are my top issues and how can I address them proactively? What are the best practices for addressing these issues? Am I the only customer with this use case? How can I manage my upgrade process to complete seamlessly? What new release features might interest me? Let us now discuss the different components and their functionalities of DiscoveryIQ user interface. The most important component of the DiscoveryIQ UI is the dashboard. The dashboard has indicator widgets on the top which draw attention to important piece of information. The cards below provide at-a-glance information about tasks, environments, etc. The column on the right has a list of recommendations. Walk Me Through is a help system that provides step-by-step instructions. It is a floating menu that can be found on the right side of every page. The next component of DiscoveryIQ UI is Analytics. Just as in Informatica Cloud Services or ICS, DiscoveryIQ extends its capability to Informatica Cloud Real-Time or ICRT. Report analytics covered by DiscoveryIQ in ICRT is the process and guide oriented. They show the run history status, top usage, and so on. This helps an ICRT user plan the load on their system by monitoring the system-wide run patterns of the process guide. In DiscoveryIQ in the ICRT product view, the guide KPI and process KPI reports are available. There are several types of reports related to guide and processes available in analytics reports. Few important reports are found in operational reports of Analytics tab. Let us discuss few of them. Task run by connection type. This is a report based on connection type. You can view details of all types of connectors such as flat file or Salesforce or other connection here based on monthly, weekly or daily basis. You can observe the details by changing the field in the filter. Salesforce lookup. This report gives you an idea of the tasks performing lookup into Salesforce. This icon gives you a tabular view to track the details of the task. Forecast volume. These are the predictive reports used by someone who wants the capacity planning. Currently, the view is based on data growth. You can view that for 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, or even more than that. Log analysis is the next tab in DiscoveryIQ user interface. With this feature, customers can now view and analyze activity logs alongside other relevant logs. The activity log analysis is useful to customers in several ways. In highlighting areas of job failure in terms of environment, date, and time. In analyzing overall run status for a task or task flow. In identifying job triggers. In enabling failure cause analysis, including job abort due to duplicate instances. In studying the most frequently occurring failure patterns. In downloading as CSV for further analysis by other tools. Agent summary is agent-wise event distribution. Error trends displays top 15 most occurring events. Error trend recommendations shows recommendations related to top occurring events on selection of a specific event in the error trends occurrences section. Only recommendations specific to the selected event will show up. A timeline graph shows day-wise aggregation view of events over the past month. Range filter can show data up to today from 1 day, 1 week, 15 days, 1 month, etc. Also, the date range filter is just besides it. Links are clickable and by default, fatal, error, warning is selected. Info and debug can be clicked to be enabled. Let us now discuss about the Upgrade tab in the DiscoveryIQ UI. The Upgrade tab shows the effect of upgradation of Informatica version on the tasks. How many tasks are still running or how many tasks were stopped forcefully due to upgradation can be viewed in this tab. The last tab of the DiscoveryIQ user interface is the Administrator tab. When any admin user logs into Informatica DiscoveryIQ, he will see a new tab in the DiscoveryIQ UI page, Administer. So any non-admin user cannot see this tab. Admin users have complete feature access to Informatica DiscoveryIQ, including managing user permissions in DiscoveryIQ. When admin user navigates to Administrator tab, by default he lands to User Permission subtab, where he can see 3 widgets. User in User Group widget will always have 4 default groups: Basic, Operator, Report Viewer, and Business User, with predefined default permissions set. The Pending Request widget shows the non-admin user's request to change group. Admin can approve or reject his request to add non-admin user to requested group. The Current User Permissions widget shows the list of all non-admin users along with the notification preference and group they belong to. Admin can change user permissions directly from here, also by clicking on the Edit button. The admin user can also navigate to Audit Log subtab, where user login, group management activity, user email preference changes can be tracked. Let us now discuss a real-world scenario where DiscoveryIQ is used. A company is a leading global supplier of antioxidants, intermediates and inhibitors, polymer modifiers, and UV stabilizer solutions. As the only manufacturer to the market of all the major families of stabilizers, the company offers the widest range of performance-based polymer additives in the industry. Some important business requirements of the companies are to meet aggressive sales and operational goals of new private equity ownership, enable sales teams to be competitive by providing pricing quickly and accurately to customers. To achieve these business requirements, the company faced some problems. The process to support sales was lengthy and complex and involved moving data from SAP into Salesforce.com was manual and required using complex SAP protocols. The impact of data from critical factors such as shipping, regulations, and volume discounts on pricing had to be cross-tabulated. Static reports that were often out of date with an inefficient cross-functional workflow. The company deployed Informatica Cloud for real-time extraction of SAP information to a Salesforce.com dashboard, which was accessible on desktop as well as mobile devices. The company drastically improved the sales process, providing real-time pricing, dynamic reporting, and dashboards that drilled down into KPIs, enabling accurate profitability analysis, a faster sales cycle, and enhanced visibility. With the help of Informatica Cloud DiscoveryIQ, the customer's product usage data combined with Informatica's support interaction data was generated from thousands of customers to provide best practice recommendations and alerts to maximize customers' return on investment. This helped the organization benchmark their data processing activity with peer companies in the same industry with similar revenues and numbers of employees, and also plan better for their future. This concludes DiscoveryIQ module. In summary, we understood what is DiscoveryIQ and its architecture, understood the need to integrate it with Informatica Cloud, and discussed its features.